What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and we're back again with another unboxing.
What's up, guys? We are gonna be unboxing a Wibargain box because I know you guys aren't tired of them, just like we're not. All right, guys, we got another box from Wibargain. It is a Home Depot box. Now, I have gotten a few other boxes and we just haven't like done videos on them. It's kind of just been posting them on TikTok and stuff, but I wanted to show you guys this box because I'm pretty excited about it. Hopefully it's not like the Lowe's one.
I brought this knife for a reason.
Okay. There was one other box that we got. It was a baby and toys one. I really wanted to do a video on that one for you guys. It was so good. Well, I can't say the Lowe's one was all bad.
You can still see it on TikTok.
Yeah, if you guys go on TikTok. I can't say the Lowe's one was all that bad because you got that knife out of it.
Yeah, I've been using it ever since.
Alrighty, guys, let's open this up. Woohoo! We got popcorn.
Intro, 1 and 1, or you want to just go for it?
Sure. I don't know if you guys can see all the excitement from my face pouring out.
Yeah, you look overly excited right now. There's a lot of stuff. Hey, didn't we need one of these? It's for the toilet.
We did need one of those. That is so weird.
It's crazy. It's the valves that go inside the toilet. But we were literally...
We actually really needed one of those.
I was going to order one of these the other day.
What else we got
You
in
got this
here?
one out?
Yeah, I got this
What
one.
is that?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's a pouch for your tape measure.
It's not true. It's for me to put my coupons in when I'm going to CVS.
Very heavy duty, yes. Yes, you're right. Okay.
We got some light. Oh, we're going one by one.
My turn.
Sorry.
Here, you get the light. You get an extension cord.
We need one.
We actually do need one of these. Indoor extension cord.
And it's 15 feet, but it's only one.
Yeah, we need one with 3 or 4. Okay.
Alright, guys, we got some light bulbs. Are they smart ones? No, they're not smart ones, huh?
No, they're not.
Oh.
You can dim them, but they're not smart.
Alright, we got one of some of this.
Alright. I don't want that. I know I see it there, but...
You got that one. That is pretty cool.
You know what it is?
Yeah, it's a staple gun, isn't it?
It's a staple gun, but it's like an industrial one.
I don't think we should have one of those in the house.
Why? Are you stapling everything?
Yeah. I can totally see us like just trying to do it to one another to see if it hurts.
No, I can see you doing it to me
You
to
can
see if it hurts.
me telling you if I can do it to you?
Yes.
Alrighty. Got something.
Dibs on that one.
You don't even know what it is?
I know, but it's a big box.
Oh, it's a drill. Is it a drill? I don't know.
It is a saw. You see? Heavy duty. Oh no, it's an electric stapler.
Really?
Yeah, it's like this one.
So then we could do it to each other at the same time.
I am not gonna be letting you staple me. What is wrong with you? But this one's cool. This is like the...
I don't know. Maybe we wanted to start like a Jackass series on our channel.
I thought you were gonna say like a fetish or something. You know, like kinky, like pain.
Whoa.
That's a thing? People do that?
Stop. No, we're not going there.
Okay.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, we could use that.
It's a master lock.
Yeah. But it says restoration.
Restoration 1. I wonder what that means. So it's one of these.
They probably fixed it or something.
You know what doesn't make sense to me? This picture. Oh, because you can't turn the knob?
No way you show them?
Oh, this little picture that's right there. I'm like, can't they just pull the lock out of the doorknob? Whose turn is it?
You, take this one.
Okay. Ooh, we got one of these.
You know what they are?
Yes, it's for the water. It's a pull-out spray hose. Everyone knows that.
Yeah, everyone knows that. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here, actually. Oh, this.
A lot of stuff looks like, well, a lot of stuff is open. Like,
Oh, what is that?
open.
This is way beyond anything I'll ever be doing. Well, this is actually pretty cool. I think this is actually expensive.
What is that?
So you use it, like you're gonna hit it with a hammer,
Uh-huh.
and this adds more support to make sure whatever you're trying to hammer down stays in.
Oh, okay. Or is it so like when you're trying to hammer something, you don't get your fingers? That makes more sense.
No, it's absolutely not that.
Because that happens to me all the time.
No, it's not. It might be that. I don't know, to be quite honest with you.
Alright guys, well, while you were looking at that, I peeked at this.
What? Cheater?
It is a back and something. It just says back and I don't know.
It's an outlet.
Okay, yeah. Oh, it's a couple of outlets. You think you could change the outlets in the house?
Yeah.
The outlets are kind of old too.
All right. What is this? Oh, I call dibs on this one.
You got dibs on everything and you don't even know what you're pulling out. And everything's like practically open in this box.
No, but I need this one. This is an 18-piece precision screwdriver set, and I can use this to open up electronic devices. That's what they're used for. So like if you need to pop open your cell phone or stuff like that.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I think I'm gonna pull out the last one, and it's a big one, guys.
Oh, dang, I didn't see that.
What?
I would have pulled that one.
Ta-da! It's ripped open too. How much? Aren't these only like a couple of dollars?
Yeah, I know what that is. You get those at Dollar Tree.
You get these at the Dollar Tree? I think it's a sign we need to paint the house.
I honestly thought it was a good box.
You did?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of tools in here. It's an expensive box. I don't know if everything, I think everything for the most part should work because it's like manual stuff besides the outlets and all that.
Yeah.
But
I think it was like I think it would be like a good like husband gift. Like, hey, I got you a random box. Or like, you know, Father's Day gift random box. Maybe if the stuff wasn't all open, because everything was pretty much like open like this.
I mean, you gotta understand their returns.
Well, yeah,
I don't think they put the effort to package everything.
Yeah. Well, yeah, its returns are like pulled off the shelf. It's a liquidation company, so this is what we expected. You either get really good stuff or you end up getting junk, guys. Now,
but the good stuff sometimes outweighs a lot of the
bad stuff.
Yeah,
stuff. There's been you'll
find like one or two good gems in there.
Yeah, I've been getting a lot of few messages lately that people have been getting really good boxes.
Yeah.
And we got the baby and toys one, and that one was good. We got a Target one. It was decent. It had a lot of blankets and Christmas decor. And now this one, we wanted to try this one out. It's kind of like the Lowe's one. The Lowe's one felt like it had more though, huh?
It was a bigger box.
Yeah, right? The Lowe's one had a little bit more. But as me, I personally didn't like the box. I don't think there was anything for me. Maybe the staple gun.
Yeah. We got that Christmas outlet over there you can use for Christmas.
Yeah, I like the staple gun.
Okay then.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys like this unboxing and a little preview of the Home Depot box that's now available on Wibargain. I totally sounded like a commercial right there.
Totally did.
Alright guys, if you guys want to check out these mystery boxes, I'll have them linked down below. You guys can use promo code KSB15 for a discount. And
hey, when am I getting my promo code?
Your own promo code?
JAY19.
Don't use that. It's not a real promo code.
JY11.
It's not a real promo code. It's not gonna exist.
It might be someone else's, but
we'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.